Hi, we're in Vidzeme University of Applied Sciences Makerspace. This is the place where scientists and students and researchers can come together and do their research more deeply and prototype their ideas. Well, we have electronics prototyping table here with our power supplies, digital oscilloscopes and soldering stations. Everything you need to create electronics and electrical engineering prototypes. And then we have heaps and heaps of mechanical engineering stuff with 3D printers and other things, like you can come here and 3D print your anything basically. This is for instance students' work. We prototyped, we created this holder. We decided it doesn't work, and we reprinted and we redesigned it, and then it fitted our needs. And these are mechanical workshop part. You can hammer, you can drill, you can cut, and you can grind. And here you can do your CNC milling, like you can cut from plywood, you can use any other material like fiberglass or metal or plastic, and this is the place where actually interdisciplinary research can happen. This is where students from social engineering meet IT engineers, and for instance our students and researchers from tourism, when they have some idea, for instance for data gathering, they come here together with IT students. They think of how they will gather data from particular tracks in Vidzeme, and then other students, like mechatronics students, they prototype their these devices that will catch the data to be stored on the cloud, and then these scientists, researchers, they will retrack it and analyze it later.